Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Friday evening and night, almost 10 o'clock, giving you an update on what was a pretty active weather day. We had some downpours and thunder very early this morning, another round of scattered activity late this afternoon, and we're pretty quiet this evening, just warm and humid under partly cloudy skies, but the humidity noticeably higher today, and it'll stick around this evening overnight through at least the first half of the weekend. Take a look. High temps today, almost 90, not quite. Upper 80s. And we have similar temperatures coming up for Saturday as well. We're thinking upper 80s to near 90. A little cooler near the coastline, but there's some decent beach weather coming up. And overall, it's a very warm to hot weekend with sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. So threat tracker now through the weekend, low-level green. We don't have any big storms on the horizon or any high-impact weather. So good news there. There's a satellite and radar composite showing some of the last of the showers and thunderstorms that came through late afternoon and early evening. They're starting to push away from Nantucket and Cape Cod. The rest of the area is rain-free but warm and humid, and a good deal of New England is quiet. In fact, you look out towards the Midwest and the Great Lakes, and clear skies. So we're looking good for both Saturday and Sunday. All eyes on Barry, almost a hurricane. It's still it's a strong tropical storm. There's the satellite and radar representation. The center of the storm is just offshore Louisiana. It'll make landfall overnight, early tomorrow morning. Winds of 65 and has the potential to just reach hurricane strength before landfall. But wind, not the only factor. In fact, perhaps one of the bigger factors with this storm will be the copious amounts of rain, so freshwater flooding from rain, and then storm surge flooding along the coastline. Just when these systems make landfall, they push a lot of ocean water towards the coast. That is the surge, and that'll be a factor across the Louisiana coastline as well. So storm makes landfall overnight, and then over the next couple of days weakens into a tropical depression as it moves across the central plains. There's a lot of rain towards early next week on Monday and Tuesday, but again, landfall overnight tonight through Saturday morning. A lot of computer guidance suggesting a big swath of very heavy rain along the track of the storm. And the amounts could be even higher than what we're showing here, and in some cases maybe 6 to 12 inches of rain over a short period of time, and that obviously is going to create quite a bit of river and urban flooding along the path of the storm. All right, closer to home, we're lucky. We've got some fairly quiet weather on the way. Take you through the overnight. Temperatures most of the evening will be in the low 70s. Here we are 7 o'clock in the morning with sunshine. Any patchy fog early. You see a little bit of that along the coastline will burn off. Got a good beach day coming up. And then here we are by mid-afternoon, 3 o'clock, upper 80s to near 90 inland, and enough of a sea breeze to bring the beaches back into the upper 70s to around 80. But it looks good along the shoreline. So this is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Here we are 7 o'clock. Inland spots are still low 80s, and the coastlines in the middle 70s at 7 o'clock in the evening. And then your Saturday night, clear, dry, comfortable, great night for outdoor activity. So for this evening, well, the showers are gone, so we'll skip that and get right to your forecast for Saturday morning, in which we're waking up to some sunshine, and temperatures starting off already in the 70s, so a rapid warm-up, and then we'll jump into the upper 80s to near 90. There'll still be some high humidity. We think the humidity levels will be dropping off Saturday night. Not nearly as humid on a Sunday, but they're still hot. Beaches are looking good both days with some sunshine. Again, any early morning fog on Saturday should be burning off rapidly. 7-day forecast, upper 80s to near 90, but less humid on Sunday. Monday looking good. And then here we go again. Watch the temperatures jumping up. Upper 80s Tuesday, low 90s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Don't see a lot of rain next, 5 days. Next, slight chance of a thunderstorm Wednesday and all that heat. Better chance for scattered showers on Thursday, but hot with a high temperature at around 90 degrees. So that's your latest Weather Now update. Weekend looking good. It's a frozen lemonade day. Take it slow. It will be very warm to hot, and we've got some sunshine both days, so enjoy. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.